Hello and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we spotlight YouTube channels you'll learn from and their stores that we know that you'll enjoy. All the channels, shops, and Facebook pages introduced this week have clickable links below the video. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first choice of the week, selected by Espich, is RachandBella Crafts. I am Rachel from RachandBella Crafts. Bella is my mom. I live in Wales in the UK, and I started making journals around 18 months ago. Mom taught me everything I know, and I have been hooked ever since. I just love how there's no wrong way to create these wonderful projects. I have been so grateful to have this distraction throughout this last year, as I believe it has kept me sane and fills my heart with joy every time I complete a journal. I also love the community that I have discovered. We were sent into lockdown, but I have met a world full of wonderful, inspiring people through this process and have made some fantastic new friends. Through this, I felt inspired to create a digital kit and just love the process and creative freedom to decorate a blank page. There's no better feeling than seeing someone else creating something beautiful with your digital kit. The second choice of the week, selected by Teri S, is Color Me Blingy by Yvette Quale. Hi, I'm Yvette Quale, and I'm blessed to live at the beach on the beautiful Oregon coast with my husband, my daughter, my beautiful new grandson. By day, I'm an office manager and color consultant for a house painting company. But crafting is in my DNA. Growing up, I would attend craft shows, art fairs, and powwow events through the Pacific Northwest with my family as we traveled and sold beaded jewelry that my mom created. This began my crafting journey. My venture into journal making began about 2 years ago when a friend gifted me some scrapbook paper that I didn't know what I was going to do with, but I loved the pretty pattern and lovely colors. I typed in a search on my phone for what to make with paper and found a photo of a junk journal. I was intrigued, and then soon after I was hooked. I started a YouTube channel in March of 2021, and I love the sharing, encouragement, and support that I can give and have received from other artists in return. On my channel, I like to share tutorials highlighting creative ways to alter everyday items, paper, beads, and more to create useful and unique items for journals. My hope is that viewers not only enjoy the projects I'm creating, but also get inspired to try something new and exciting on their own. I also want to start sharing a bit more about how I hope that my channel will be a place where people find inspiration, creativity, acceptance, and a sense of, I think I can do that. I love to engage with my subscribers and others who share my passion to create something beautiful. I hope you join me on my crafty adventures. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders and members and list your YouTube channel and Etsy stores in their events lists. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. The UCC founders are Espich, founder, Teri S, co-founder. If you have 200 or more subscribers to your YouTube channel and Facebook group and want to become a member of the UCC and participate in the UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week, email uccgroup2021@gmail.com for more information. Thank you for joining us in this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels and Etsy stores.